brief check. I'm going to fetch some stuff in the car. Let's stream. Good, it's a travel day. We're going to Ghana. This is how I look, you know. Put on a bit of pound, but I'll lose it in Ghana.
4 kilos.
Joking, 4 kilos during Christmas, guys. That's how much I've put on. Right, so what's the plan? So the plan is we're going to Ghana. We're going to do the second project. We're not sure if you'll be able to complete the project, but it's not the end of the world. If not, we can leave it there and then continue probably in the middle of the year. So we're heading to Dubai. We flying with Emirates today from Heathrow Airport. We came to London last night. The hotel was very, very nice. Actually, I'll try to see if I could display a quick video so I see how the Holiday Inn at the Heathrow Airport look like. So we're going to Heathrow this morning about 9:30. Hopefully we can check in early, and then if you're lucky we can probably use the lounge, not the Emirates lounge, because we're not flying the business class today and they didn't want to upgrade us, so we have to use the priority lounge if they allow us in, because these days you're not sure whether you're getting or not. So guys, let's get to the airport. Wow, this is Terminal 3. Look at Terminal 3, guys. Right, so we just got to Heathrow. We're going straight in there. Alright, so we just had the Heathrow Airport and the Emirates check-in is just down there behind me. The luggage, look at the amount of luggage we got here, guys. A lot of luggages, but hopefully we can get it checked in and we can go straight upstairs and enjoy the rest of the day. So we just finished having the tags put on the bags. We haven't dropped the bags yet. We came very early, so we just have to walk around till 11 till we drop the bags. We finally cleared of security. Now let the holiday begin. Black label. Is that the green one or black one? Yeah? Black. This one. This one, yeah. Let me try, guys. It's very smoky. Very nice. Remember the acid?
Yeah, but this is what?
Wow. These are new. Have you seen the Fame one? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. I thought we said we don't buy lips.
Oh, but just this.
Pardon? Let's just walk to see if we find the gate. Alright, so we're going to the Centurion Lounge, which is down the road. Because we member, we're allowed to use the lounge, but I haven't used it before, so this is our first time. So let's see if we can get in with a membership. Centurion Lounge. So what happened is when we went to the Centurion Lounge, because it's very busy, we have to wait for 30 minutes. So instead of waiting for 30 minutes, I just thought, you know, let me go around the airport, show you guys how the airport look like, and all the designer shops, all the shops where to get food, and also where you can get stuff around the airport. So next to me here, the shop down here, that's Boots. So Boots, you can get your travel accessories like medicines and all sorts of those kind of stuff here. And also they have a WH Smith there. You can get drinks, you can get water, you can get a lot from there as well. Hello, Happy New Year. Right, so I was just mooching around, you know, around the airport, and some people are very lively and they say hello, you know, say hello back. It doesn't cost anything. So guys, in front of me here, this is where the duty free is. So we were here earlier, we bought a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to go back and then show you guys the other designer shops down there. This is the board where you can get all your flight numbers. There's a flight going to Philadelphia, Dubai, that's where we're going, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Amsterdam. There's a lot of information on this board. All right, so let's walk to this part. Let me show you guys what they have down here. They have a Paul Smith here. I believe they also have a Louis Vuitton, Fendi, all these big brands down there. So let's have a quick walk. Let me show you guys these shops. This is a Louis Vuitton shop. If you guys remember, I did take a picture last time. If you follow me on Instagram, I did take the night shop from here. Probably I'll post a bit and take another beautiful shot from the Louis Vuitton shop. I'm not going in there today, I'm not shopping. So guys, stay tuned, and then once I finish, I'll probably take you guys to the Gucci shop as well down there. Also we have a Dior here. Oh my god, look at the Dior. I'm just going to go in to show you guys all the sandals. Right, look at this bag, look at these sandals. Stuff here, you can get drinks, you can get a lot of stuff here. You can get smoked salmon. Wow, this is so cool from here last time. Amazing shop. Let me see what they have today. Wow, let me see if they have anything for me. They have different stuff. They have a nice hat. Wow, that's a nice bag. Wow, wow, look at this one. That's so beautiful. Wow, nice wallet as well, you know. Wow, I like this one. I don't know where it is. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's so beautiful though. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, thank you. So, this is getting ridiculous. I have to register like a queue to use the lounge. I don't know what's happening to the world. You know, 2 years ago before the pandemic, it's just easy. Now it's like we're in the zombie land. Everything has to be done through paperwork, like apps. It's ridiculous. You know, I've been to Centurion, the same. Now we're in this lounge, the same, guys. I've been waiting for almost 2 hours. Still can't get into the lounge.
Oh, look at Qatar.
Yeah. This is the cinema. Just walking in to see if there's nobody in the cinema. This is how the cinema look like. Wow. There's chairs here, there's movies. So I'm going out of the cinema. There's also, hello. Wow. This is quite a cool lounge. All right. So here, this area is kept frankly closed. So it's a very quiet area. And also they have a spa and club area. I don't know who are allowed to go into the spa. Wow. It's very, very quiet. Very nice. People are working. Very nice. So that's it. And look at the view, British Airways. I think they're just getting this one to take off. Qantas is down there. I don't know if you guys can see Qantas. It's quite massive. Like, oh, Virgin is taking off. That's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. Just going to go down there to see if I can show you guys the bar. Also they have a board here so you can look at your flight numbers and everything on here. And also that's the bar there. They sell Prosecco, juice, and a lot of items. And there, this is where you scan and get checked in. I'm just going to get myself some fresh water. Just going to mix it, have a bit of avocado. I mean, I think what's that? Is that cucumber? That's so much easier. And there's the board.